Didoo is a platform that allows you to generate ad campaigns for your website or different products simply by pasting your URL. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here, and here I'm just going to paste in the URL for Perfecting Prompts, which is a 7-day ebook that basically teaches you how to improve your prompts. You guys will probably see the ad for it halfway through this video. Target area, I'm going to say United States and United Kingdom. Let's go with this and see what we need to do next. Okay, so now it's preparing the optimal marketing strategy. I believe it's going to my website, analyzing the page for Perfecting Prompts, saying this is going to take about a minute. So I'm just going to come back once it's done. Okay, so it's not quite done yet, but we can actually see what it's understanding from the web page itself. So here it's mentioning the fact that it's a 7-day AI crash course designed to transform users from crafting vague sentences into more bulletproof sort of prompts. You can see here it's only £7 at 15 to 30 minutes daily. And it also mentions the core and create frameworks. It seems to have missed out what the aesthetic is. Perhaps I should have given it a link to the homepage of my website, but we'll see exactly how this does. So yeah, it's pretty much got the essence of the ebook down to the T. The Perfecting Prompts is of course about creating effective solutions for communicating with large language models in the best way possible. Really and truly, I like to say that putting words together is a creative endeavor, and if you know how to actually creatively put sentences together and articulate your desires to language models, it can really speed up the process of prompting, particularly at the start, because I like to say these language models are ideal for going from 0 to 1%, which is when you're essentially still brainstorming or you want to just get an idea off the ground and start developing some initial momentum. Okay, so this has taken a little longer than a minute. We can see what it sort of got out of the web page so far, but yeah, it looks like it's probably going to take about maybe 3 to 5 minutes instead. We'll wait and see exactly what this ad strategy is like, and then yeah, you guys can be the judge and decide whether this tool is worth it or not. Okay, great. So this is the first ad set we've received. It's told us who the audience is and some targeting keywords, all of which look quite relevant. And we've actually got some creative assets here that I could actually just use in the ads that I run. And as we can see here, the ad goal was to drive more site traffic. So yeah, I think this is pretty cool.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
This probably would have taken a bit of time to actually do myself manually. Would have certainly taken longer than about the 3 minutes it took to generate this. We've actually been presented with 2 ad sets as well. So here's the other one. Cool. I think this one also looks quite interesting. I quite like this one actually. It looks quite sleek. So this one looks pretty cool as well. Yeah, it looks very interesting. So I think these are actually quite good. I may actually use one of them. But yeah, definitely check this out. It looks like it's a great tool to quickly speed up the creation of any kind of creative assets. And whenever you want to set up a meta ad, this can always be like your first step. So yeah, definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.